Not a doubt that Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong districts are blessed with rich heritage of natural resources like fertile soil, quartz, coal and many more. But the nature gifted resources is merging rapidly towards its end due to excessive mining carrying out within the districts. Likewise, after the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council had legalized quartz stone mining at Arting, West Karbi Anglong district, bordering with the state of Meghalaya, the contract for quartz mining at the region was legally granted to Priyanka Priti Barua on 2nd July 2022. Locals inform that the road connecting Ami to Rupai was completely destroyed by the hyper-dumper trucks carrying out excessive transportation of quartz stones through the village roads. The visual you see here is the current scenario of the roads between Ami to Rupai. The road was newly constructed from Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, in short, PMGSY scheme. As per the guidelines of the road, the maximum capacity load of the road is only up to 16 tons, but the loads carried out by the hyper-dumper trucks at present was double the maximum load capacity of the road.
Litum Teglong lo, laki kedam tang aning kansi la so tuar papetang pon lo PMGSY, laki arting pen Rupai, anta kacilenga tuar lo. Tasindot kopi posi ladak tuar ladak hinovong ma puang te bangkelando harlong kilok la so kipur pen ajoksi la so tuar hinu lo ladak ke nonal tuar fan peklang chotlang akai lo la ko ana jak lo ne ke tuar la son si khai no Teglong lo la pen la so harlong kiroi attract pensi kapahay no po bangke ladak ang Teglong dak lo atema akaprek agari atum lapan of 35 lapan 40 tons an kapedam sona gari ave.
Bir Singh Tisro's report from Lang MP and Danieling his report from Hamren for Karbi Anglong Live.